Hello friends, welcome to Akul Mac Live, and today in fact I want to ask you a question. Do you know which is the highest railway pier in the world? Well, this is a GK question and the answer is it is the highest viaduct on the earth, and the height of this pier is about 139 meters from the ground, and it is situated in Montenegro in Europe, called Mala Reykjavik Viaduct. So far this has been the world record holder, highest viaduct in the world. But the information is that the Indian Railways has done it again, and they have actually set up a new world record. And Indian Railways, as you know, is the world biggest employer and also having the third largest network in the world today. And they are actually building a road, in fact, in a very difficult terrain in the state of Manipur. And if you know that Manipur is the one of the seven sister state in the northeast sector of India, and this is located just at the border with India to Myanmar, and it is so far off. And for like so many years, it is so far off from the mainstream mainland India that it was largely neglected. And but now Indian Railways is actually doing a lot of work, and they are building a rail route in a very difficult terrain. And the capital of Manipur is Imphal, and they're connecting to another city which is just 111 kilometers away, but it passes through a very difficult terrain. And the rail route is now being built in order to connect, to improve connectivity in the city, in the state, for benefit of people, so that they can travel across the state itself. And in order to connect these two locations, the Indian Railways is now building a bridge, because the terrain is so difficult. It has a lot of mudslides and all that, and the stability of the ground is in question. So when you are actually building a permanent structure like a railway system, railway track, stations, etc., you will be amazed to know that this 111 kilometers stretch of railway track will be passing through almost 61% inside the tunnels, and whatever is remainder of the journey will be covered by a huge viaduct. And while constructing one of the big viaduct, the Indian Railways has now built the largest pier in the world. This is soaring high as 141 meters, and this is now the world largest pier. It's setting up a new world record. And this is situated in the track area called Jirabam Imphal, which is Imphal is the capital of the state, in the state of Manipur. And this is going to be a wonderful thing. It will be ready by 2023. And friends, actually this is a very remarkable feat by Indian Railways, because you know this is something not being done for last 70 years, especially after getting independence, because the terrain itself was so tough and remote. And the construction work is also hampered by huge deluge of rains and also multiple landslides. So I think this is a remarkable feat by Indian Railways, and it's a proud moment for all of us. Please join me in celebrating this proud moment. And if you have any other information about this, other than being the world largest pier viaduct of a railway bridge, do let me know and give your comments. And if you feel proud, you can actually send those messages also, and I will read it out in the next session of Akul Mac Live. And for today, I'll say goodbye, only to catch you in the next one.